discussed about a OS layer, so you have get one or two idea. Then it is now we will discuss about a networking devices. That is, I don't remember how I missed. Yeah, I missed because of day before yesterday. So I stopped the class in the last part, right? So then it is there, and again just explain about these topologies and all. Okay. So devices and IP addresses are pending mainly. So I'll give you a very slight overview, guys. Not overview. I will give you details only. If I give a overview, my mind is won't agree with that one. Okay. So devices are a networking devices. When we are in a networking, we call this one as a devices, but networking devices. Okay. So here is an important devices we use in the networking daily, guys. Hub. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Repeaters. Uh, repeater, not repeater, repeater. Repeater. Switches. Bridges. Bridge is not a hardware device, guys. It's a bridge only. That's it. Bridge. Router. Modem. Firewalls. Okay. Firewalls. I'll give some list. So later I will put some other things. Okay. Firewalls. Mm. VPN hardware devices also there, like a VPN. VPN. Actually, VPN is a part of firewall. Also, it is available. Fire VPN servers are there. VPN devices connectivity is also there. Hmm. Wireless access points. Wi-Fi routers. Just we are putting a list. That's it. No other things. IDS, IPS, institution detection system, institution prevention system, checkpoint servers. Okay, just for a names only. Checkpoint servers. Any other networking devices. PPP, OE, FC, OE. Means fiber optical to Ethernet. PPP, point to point connectivity to Ethernet conversions are there. Means originally we are getting WAN connectivity through point to point connectivity. From one router to other router is a point to point connectivity. But we are getting internet to our home, not point to point directly. We are point to point over Ethernet we are getting. Like you take ACT, point to point over Ethernet. Okay. So like this, so many networking devices are there. But what we are going to discuss, that is only very limited devices like this. First important device, the highlighted one is a hub, right? So hub, switch, router, modem. These are the devices we are going to discuss. Guys, very simple to remember, it is hub. We are using for a LAN communication purpose, small network. Hub is suitable for a small network. Switch is also used for a LAN communication, and it is used both LAN and large networks. Switch knows how to switch understand MAC address, means it's a MAC learning part is also there. Just for quick recollection purpose only. Okay. Router is used in both LAN and WAN communication. Both LAN and WAN communications. It is an internetworking device. Router is a internetworking device. Router shows best path to reach the destination. Router shows best path to reach the destination. Next, modem. Modem is connected to your internet through ISP, Internet Service Provider. Okay, modem make you to connect to internet or make you to connect to ISP. Either you can use a telephone cables to connect. Earlier days, still now, we are using telephone cables to connect to internet. Okay, mostly nowadays, most of the service provider are using optical fiber cables for internet connectivity. So your modem is this either telephone cables or optical fiber cables used to connect to internet. So using ISP through ISP. And there is two things. It is there. One is a repeater. Repeater is a device which repeats the signal. Repeat the signal. So what is the use? Normally our UTP STP cables are 100-meter distance communication only. The repeater repeat the signal, so the longer distance we can able to communicate. Okay. Bridges. Bridges are usually software based. Bridging between two networks or two NICs or two virtual networks, two virtual devices, two virtual NICs, virtual to physical NIC. Like a bridging is a concept. Okay. It's a more like a routing concept, not originally bridging concept. Okay. So these are the different networking devices. Out of that one, these are the main thing we are going to discuss. First one is anyway hub. Guys, hub is a non-intelligent device. Here heading is hub or a repeater, but I will tell hub is first one and repeater is also I included here. Okay, hub or a repeater. First of all, hub. Hub is non-intelligent device. Hub is not a intelligent device. Hub does not understand what is not understand MAC address and IP address. Okay, whatever the MAC address it is, hub IP address it is, it don't understand. What hub will do? I will have to write somewhere. This is how hub is look like. This is how it is function. So you can type in this networking hub or anything. So networking. Go to images. See, these are the hub is look like. Even the small switches also look like same. This is see, this is the hub. Sorry, this is the hub. This system is trying to send a packet to one of the PC, but packet is sent. Hub distribute that packets to everyone. Distribute the packets to everyone. So this is how we are connecting to hub. This also you can see. This PC send a packet. A hub will distribute that packet to everyone in the network. Means it broadcasts the network to everyone in the network. Okay. You can put it here. Okay. This is how it is connecting devices. Half duplex communication and all that is not much important, guys. What it will do, it broadcasts the packet to every device in the network. It broadcasts the packet to every device in the network. Whenever it is received a packet from a PC, like A is want to communicate it to B, then what it will do, it will send the packet to everyone in the network. Okay. So you use for a LAN communication and it is suitable for a small networks. Okay, it is also called as as per OSLA layer 1 device. It is a layer device. Number of collisions are more, number of packets loss is high. Okay, these are the things are there. So some more points I will explain, guys. So look at here. Actually, I have to draw there. So how it is connected and how packet is traveling. But this is the best way because here color options are there. So this is, look at, this is a hub. This is a hub. And these are the devices are connected to this hub. Okay. Next, A is, this is the APC, BPC, C, D, E. A send a packet to B. A send a packet to B. So A want to send a packet to B. Remember, A want to send a packet to B. Now packet is sent to the hub. Now this hub distribute this packet to B and C and D and D. Distribute means broadcast. Here in this word, the packet is broadcasted to everyone in the network. Now who is receiving this packet? B, C, D, E. Original reception is B. Packet is for B. To address is B, but remaining people are received a packet. Now what they will do? C, is it packet is belongs to me? No, then it will drop the packet. E, is a packet is belongs to me? No, drop the packet. D, drop the packet. B, accept the packet because of actually destination is B only. So D, B, accept the packet. Guys, think like this. Meanwhile, other communication is also going on. From, for example, C want to send a packet to D. C send a packet. The packet is go to B, A, and as well as D and E. To whom I'm sending a package? D. So D received a packet, accept the packet. Remaining people will drop the packet. It means unnecessarily other devices also getting the data. Okay. And similarly, these devices are communicating each other. If it is a large number of devices, means lot of packets, unnecessary packets are traveling. Those packets are traveling in the same path So obviously packets traveling in the same path and packets also travels in opposite paths also there. So both the paths will collide. So then packet data loss occurs. Okay, packet data loss occurs. So that's why it is hub is called as a single broadcast domain. This is not very important, not very important. Okay, it's just to know it. Okay, single broadcast domain and a single collision domain. Why it is not showing error? Okay, so it is a single broadcast domain and single collision domain. It is. Okay, so hub is called as a single broadcast domain and a single collision domain. So number of collisions occurs at at hub. Okay, so because of number of collisions, okay, data packet loss or okay. So this is the point I am trying to tell about your hub. You want to add anything? I will add a repeater here. Repeater repeat the signal, so signal can able to send long distance. Hub is also act like a repeater. Hub is also act like a repeater. Okay, so I will show you that how networking hub and repeater. Okay, this is hub, this is repeater. So can you see this is a repeater? If repeater single uh, symbol it shows, then means the picture it shows, that is very good. This is also example of repeater. What repeater you are using currently in nowadays? Are you using any repeater? Yes, we are using a repeater. We are using a repeater. Okay. So yeah. We are using a repeater nowadays. But if you are in a cable, it is a repeater, cable connectivity. So if you are in a wireless, what is your wireless repeater? Wi-Fi extender. So these are the Wi-Fi extenders, right? So I need more symbols kind of stuff like this. This is also good Wi-Fi extender. This is the Wi-Fi extender. What is the use of Wi-Fi extender? Nowadays, so we are using Wi-Fi network, right? In a home, we are using Wi-Fi network. The problem with the Wi-Fi network is it may not be Okay, these are the repeaters. That is enough. Okay, guys, what is the use of this Wi-Fi extender? You have a Wi-Fi router in some corner in a hall where you have a Wi-Fi router is there, but in your room is a very distance, and there is a lot of things to block your signal, right? So you are not getting a proper signal, you are getting a very weak signal. Then what we do, we'll put this Wi-Fi extender, so where the signal is balances, okay, between these two things, or maybe, okay, so you have to balance the signal. So this signal strength must be good, and this should be receiving type signal. It means you have to calculate correct distance. There is a one some configuration options are there, so you have to put a this extender. So what happened, this extender bypass this signal, it receive the signal and repeat the signal, so then we are getting a very good signal. Of course, we are connecting network, we are accessing network through this Wi-Fi router only, but this is only for giving proper signal. It is not boosting the signal, it just to give the signal. Okay, I hope you get the point. Guys, understand hub?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Next one is switch. Switch is a very intelligent device, or intelligent device. Don't say very intelligent device. Intelligent device means inside there is a certain circuit board. Switch understand MAC address. Switch understand MAC address. Switch function is MAC address learning, forwarding. Switch understand. It will create a MAC address table. Kind of stuff. Okay. How the switches look like this. You can take it from here, or you can search in Google freshly. Also, you can tell what is this switch, how it is look like, kind of stuff. Okay. So D-Link switch, a different organization providing different type of switches. Okay. So D-Link switch, how it is. Okay. Next, is used in a LAN communication. Switch is used in a LAN communication. Switch is used in a LAN communication. Okay, it is a layer 2 device. We can use in small network and large networks. Large number of connections we can do it. Number of collisions are less, so less packet data loss. Not completed, guys. So it is a single broadcast domain. We'll tell the difference. It is single broadcast domain and a multi-collision domain. Multi-collision domain. Switch broadcast packet to every device connected in network like hub. Switch initially broadcast packets to every device connected in the network like a hub. Once switch LAN MAC addresses of devices and create MAC address table. Okay, so once and create a MAC address table, then switch unicast packets based on device MAC address and MAC address table. I will explain that one, so do not worry. Okay, so how can you see? Okay, see here it is. It is a hub. This hub is always broadcast the packets. But how this switch will work? You see. Okay, so switch is also same diagram because both are star topology only. Okay, hub or a switch, both are in a star topology type only. Okay. Okay, so here is a PCA, PCB, PCC, PCD, PCE. A send a packet to B. Guys, look at this table. This is table is MAC address table. Okay, MAC address table. So guys, each hub or switch having a ports. Have you seen already? The ports are there, no? Each port having a number. Switch port having a number. Port number 1, port number 2, port number 3, port number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example. Okay, I written 4 outside, so it's okay, no problem. So one is connected to A, right? Now A send a packet to B. A send a packet to B. The packet is traveled to the switch. Packet is traveled to the switch. Switch immediately understand 1 is a port number is 1. It is connected to A's PC, then A's MAC address. And it is recognized immediately A's MAC address. It put it in this map. Now B's MAC address. The destination is B. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, this work is done by ARP, getting the MAC address.
No. This is not ARP. ARP is in a level of systems only because ARP includes IP and MAC. Here we don't use IP. In this switch don't understand IP address. Switch understand MAC address. Layer 2. ARP, MAC and IP address.
So it's part of the installation. When we install, then switch used to get all the MAC addresses.
Yes, you connected a switch. You have a switch. You connected a devices. You turn on your switch. Okay, from that
Okay.
store. Very good. And very good that you remember ARP. Very good. Okay, so see, when A want to send a packet to B, and the packet is go to the switch, but as per MAC address table, I don't know where is B. B's MAC address and B PC, I don't know. So what I will do, initially it do broadcast. Initially it will do broadcast like a hub only. Okay, like that. So when there is a communication from, for example, B is replying to A. B is replying to A. B to A. So B send a packet to A. Now see, B is connected to B's MAC address is this one. And what is the destination? A. Where is A's MAC address? 1. So it's sent directly to A. Like that. If you see here, guys, so port number 3 is connected to C's MAC address. Port number 5 is connected to D's. Okay, D's, and D's MAC address is stored here. Okay, 6 is for E's MAC address. 7 is, no, 8. 8 is for F MAC address. Where is 4 and 7? 4 and 7 are not connected to anyone. Okay, they left aside. For example, now C want to communicate it to E. C to E communication. And C send a packet. Now where is E? Here is a E's MAC address. My destination MAC address is E. E is connected at 6 and packet is forward to 6 port number. E will receive the packet. So it does not send to everyone. At least second time. Okay, first time means before MAC address table creation, before MAC address table it do broadcast, because switch don't know where is the destination. Based on the destination MAC address, you don't know the where is the destination PC. Okay, but now switch knows the destination PC where based on the destination MAC address. Okay, so this is the switch functionality. So that's why I've written here, guys. Okay, not this one. This is the one. Switch initially broadcast packet to every device connected in the network like a hub. Once switch learns MAC address of the devices and it creates the MAC address table and creates MAC address table. Okay, so once switch learn MAC address of the devices and it creates the MAC address table, then switch unique as the packets based on the device MAC address table, MAC addresses table. Okay, so I will tell small thing about a MAC address table. This MAC address table maps switch port number not a protocol port number. It is a switch port number to okay MAC address of device. Okay, the device which is connected, that is a MAC address table. Okay, I think so. You got the point, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this multicast domain? Multicast collision domain. Multicast collision domain. What is this multicast collision domain, guys? For example, A send a packet to B. Similarly, C send a packet to B. Means their port is same, no? So B's port number, A's packet is also going to same port. C packet also go to same port. For example, B is communicating to D. Okay, D and also A means same port is traveling, right? So both entry and exit through the port is collide here. Means the collisions will occur at port. Okay, guys, collisions in hub occurs at hub. Entire hub is a collision domain. Entire hub is a collision domain. In a switch, because of this MAC address table, the connected ports are a collision domains. The collisions will occur at a port only. Because of this unicast, because of this unicast, the lesser number of collisions. Because of this unicast, lesser collisions. No, not like this. So this will become very bigger if in case if I put like this. See, just become, I have to settle down like this. And then this. Okay, this is okay, no problem. Once again, guys, what is the search? Search is an intelligent device. Okay, it learns MAC address. Okay, it works with floating and unicast. So just now I told unicast. Okay, so there is a different type of switches, cut through switches, store and forward switches kind of stuff. Important point is, guys, the highlighted one. So see, it is an intelligent device. It learn MAC addresses. It create a MAC address table. It works in the LAN communication. It is a layer 2 device. We can use a search in both small and large networks. Large number of devices we can connect in the with the switch. Switch initially broadcast packet to everyone in the network. Switch broadcast to packets to everyone in the network initially, but once it is learn the MAC address using MAC address table, it unicast the packet in the devices. It is also called as a single broadcast domain and a multi-collision domain. So number of collisions are less in the searches because of this unicast. Okay. Two functions mainly MAC address forwarding kind of stuff. Yeah, there is a two lines are came up side, so we can try. Okay, guys, remember there is sometimes you feel like you are speaking about a networking, you are more demand in the networking. Some people wantedly ask a question, that is when you said it is a layer 2 device. Switch is a layer 2 device. The people ask, is the L3 switch is there? Yes, guys, there is a L3 switch is also there. Okay, layer 3 switch means the switch actually layer 2 function means MAC address related, but layer 3 function is also it will do like a routing concept, like IP addresses, understanding of IP addresses, routing the IP addresses, connecting between two different logical networks, that kind of stuff also it will do it. Mostly it will use it for a inter VLAN routing VTP communications. Inter-network communications also it will do it. Of course, I didn't add one more point here. So that is how to, if I put add, then it will go to next line. Otherwise, I'll add this one in switches. Okay. So we have a dot part. We are not getting that dot part. So in switches, manageable switches, manageable switches, non-manageable switches. Is manageable switches, guys. Manageable switches means you can create a VLAN. Okay, we can create a VLAN or we can configure it. Okay, okay, and configure. Can configure as per your requirement. It is we have a default configuration. We cannot do anything. Non-manageable means this is simply access switches. Simply you can just connect and use it only. But manageable switches we can able to configure as per our requirement. So that is one point. Okay, this is L3 switch. Remember, guys, switch is L2 layer 2 device only, but there is a L3 switch which do function as a both switch as well as a router part. Guys, highlighted parts, do not forget. Again, I am telling. Hub is a non-intelligent device. Hub don't understand MAC address and IP address. Hub broadcasts the packets to every device in the network. Hub is used for LAN communication. Hub is used for a small networks. Hub is a layer 1 device. Okay, it is a broadcast layer 1 device. Okay, that's it. Next, hub switch is an intelligent device. It understand MAC address. It understand MAC address. It can able to learn the MAC address of the connected device. It can learn the MAC address of connected device. MAC switch create a MAC address table and switch use unicast and floating. Okay, so don't forget about it. Switch use in LAN communication. It is a layer 2 device because of switch can understand MAC address. Okay, switch used in both small networks and large networks. Large number of devices we can connect using a multiple switches. Using a multiple switches. Or you can know so whatever it is. Switch picture is good. Okay. Next, guys, important is switch initially broadcast packet to every device connected in the network like a hub. Okay. Once MAC address table is created, so then switch unicast the packets based on the device MAC address and MAC address table. What is this MAC address table? It maps the switch port number and a switch port number and a MAC address of the connected devices. Number of collisions are reduced because of this unicasting, and the number of data packets are lesser. That's it is suitable for MAC address line. That's it. Okay, only highlighted points. First concentrate on it. So try to speak those things with a easy way. Here is a MAC address table also have created. So if you want, you can able to communicate or use this one for our understanding. Guys, this is a bridges and switches. The bridges are software based. The bridges are used to connect two different segments or topologies. Okay, switches are more like a hardware devices, more port numbers. It is a single topology part. The next one is router. Guys, understand switch and hub? Eh? Do you understand switch and hub?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, next one is a router.
Hello.
Intelligent device. It works with a logical address. It works with a logical address. It works with a fixed bandwidth, nothing other that is fixed bandwidth. No one knows what is the bandwidth here. Not it is not like that. Point is necessarily so many are there. So what you do, people? So you read it. Some people will read it and by heart it, and they forget about original point. They'll concentrate on this fixed bandwidth, half duplex, and all. What interviewer do it? They'll ask what is the meaning of that fixed bandwidth. What is the meaning of broadcast, full duplex? What is the meaning of off duplex? Again, you have to think that question. Okay, sir, what is a full duplex? What is half duplex? Of course, I will tell no problem. In PPT also I've written unicast, broadcast, multicast also there. Simplex, off duplex, multi is there. Point is the main simplest points you should tell. Okay, don't not original points, simple and original points. So that is important. Okay. So it is a internetworking device. Don't forget router is a internetworking device. What is internetworking? That is good point. That is it is connection of internetworking, right? Communication between different networks. Communication between different networks. We use a router. It connects to our more networks. We use it for both LAN and WAN communication, and router is understand IP address. So then it is a layer 3 device. Okay. This is a router symbol, guys. So the round symbol is a router symbol. The original router is in a box only. Okay. You want to see the router, the Cisco networking router, not Wi-Fi router, Cisco router it is. So it is a 1900 series router. It's a small router. Okay. It is not very small, but it is a medium thing. So 1900 series. 900 series is a starting. So these are the different routers you can able to see. Okay, it is look like a this box type only. This is the front and back side of a router. But this symbol is not coming. This is good. Okay. So here it guys, remember what is root? What is root? Actually we call this one router, not a router guys, it is a root. Route means path. Router or router shows best path to reach the destination. Router using routing tables. Router using routing tables to reach the destination. Router using routing tables to reach the destination. Router using routing tables to know how to reach the destination. Okay, these routing tables are created by manually called as static routing, and these routing tables can be created automatically by using routing protocols called a dynamic routing. These dynamic routing protocols are used to create a routing tables like this: IGP, EGP, RIP version 2, EIGRP, YSPF, PGP, ISIS. Again guys, what is router? Router is an intelligent device, works with a logical addressing means IP addressing. Router make a connection between two different networks, two or more different networks, which is called as a internetworking. Okay, communication between two different networks, two or more different networks called a internetworking. Router is a internetworking device. Router used for both LAN communication and WAN communication. Router is a layer 3 device which is network layer. In a router, route means path. Router shows best path to reach the destination. Router use routing tables to know how to reach the destination. These routing tables are created by manually or automatically. If you create manually means it is a static routing. It is created automatically by routing tables are created automatically by routing protocols. Routing protocols. Routing tables created by manually, routing tables created by automatically. By using automatically, it is created by using routing protocols. These are the dynamic routing protocols. Okay, what I said, router tell how to reach the destination. I'll give you one command guys here. So because that is a small mandatory part. So I'll show you the difference. So what is the ping command? Ping command will tell you, are you able to reach the destination or not? Means from source to destination, destination to source connectivity is there or not, right? So connectivity, to test the connectivity between source to destination, we use the ping command. So I use a ping command to google.com, so I can able to reach google.com. I can able to reach google.com. So this is google.com. So I'm getting reply from google.com IP address, and I'm getting a lost is 0%, sent for receive for means I can able to reach google.com. So same 14 only. Username is user1. Check whether we can reach destination, in our sense google.com or not, to check whether we can we reach destination or not. So here it is. Now can we look at here? This is the point. Okay. We can able to reach the destination. Next command is, I know how to reach the, I know I can able to reach the destination, but how I reach the destination? How I reach the destination? That command is trace RT. I know I can able to reach the destination, but how I reach the destination? It is trace RT. Guys, the google.com is located somewhere in the world. It can be in India, it can be outside of India, maybe like maybe in Bangalore, it can be in a Singapore, it can be in a in a Malaysia, it can be in a New Jersey, it can be in a New Zealand, or maybe it is in the some other different place, right? So it's different Google servers are there in this world, right? So usually not New Jersey, it is, as I know, it is California, I think so, as remember, San Francisco, Cisco, San Jose, okay? But I'm in my place, right? So when how I reaching this google.com? First, from my laptop to my router to my ISP router, my ISP router to my, that there is some internal ISP routers. Then outside there is a lot of routers. WAN, internet, what is it? Networks of network. There is a lot of networks, lot of routers are connected in the world, right? So I have to travel from one place to another place, another place to another place. Finally, I reach the destination. So this is my destination IP address.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, when trace route in between also comes like request timeout.
Yeah, sometimes it will come request time dot, right?
Sir, can I share my some screen? I want to see you.
No, no problem, no problem. So if it will take like that. Okay, so if in case in middle request timed outs star means sometime there is a delay, the path is not clear, it took delay and it would redirect to another path. Okay, that's why
Yeah,
it is
it's some same thing coming like.
not a big deal, but understand the command. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'm removing these gaps, so then it will reduce picture. So this, what is this again? Understand, pink will tell you are you able to reach the destination or not, right? And what is trace RT will tell you to know how you reach destination. Okay, how to reach the destination, how you reach destination. So just that is only, it is not you means not your personally, how your packet is, how you can able to reach destination like this, guys. How my system or maybe this packet is can able to, how can able to reach the destination, because of that the routers will tell you how to reach the destination, how to travel from this side or this side, go to straight, take left. All these things are decided by the routers in the network only. Okay, so first of all I have to reach my local router. Okay, to for my laptop to my router to ISP to this one. So how my router knows how to go to a router? How to go to my Airtel router, Airtel ISP router. So this configuration inside in my local router only. So it will tell, it will send packet to my ISP to other router to other router. How these routers knows how to reach the destination? based on the routing protocols and their configurations. Okay guys, to check whether we can able to reach the destination or not, we use the ping command. To know how to reach the destination, to know whether we can be able to reach the destination or not, so that is a tracer. Okay, I hope you got the point.
Yes, sir.
Last one in the networking device is modem. Okay, guys, modem means modulator and demodulator. Modem means modulator and demodulator. What is modem? Modulator and demodulator. What is this thing? Guys, generally I'm telling, you know FM radio, right? So you tune to the FM radio to this particular frequency. For example, 98.5. You tune to the 98.5. Then you will listen to the radio Mirchi, right? How you can able to reach? Because of at FM station, in a radio Mirchi station, normal voice signal or normal music is added to this 98.5 high frequency signal, megahertz signal. They add this signal. So this is a baseband signal for voice is 20 to 20 kilohertz baseband signal. We are adding this baseband signal to this high carrier frequency. So then the signal can able to travel for a longer distances. Those people who tune to this, so they can able to extract the original signal from this carrier signal. Okay, so that is the how FM is working. FM means frequency modulation. Okay, so our modem is not a FM radio, right? Our modem is network modem. Our modem is our network modem. What network modem will do it? So our communication from my PC to my router, my PC to my other PC within the local, the signal is a digital based signal, low frequency digital signal it is. Low frequency digital signal it is. It cannot forward, we cannot, these signals cannot be travel to the longer distances, but from your home or office to ISP, first of all, the signal has to be sent up to your ISP, right? But how to send a ISP? So then we use a modem. The modem converts your signal to the analog to modem converts, actually modulates modulates signal to send through telephone cable, golden days, or fiber optical cable. Nowadays we are using inverters, right? So we are using a fiber optical cables, right? So the modem converts or modulates the signal, not single signal, sig. This is also same thing, signal, signal. Okay, it modulates the signal to send through the telephone cable or a optical fiber cable. Modem make you to connect ISP. So modem connects to internet. Means you want to get internet, you need a modem. You want a internet, You need a modem. In mobile phone, you have a 4G, that is built-in 4G modem is there. Okay, in your Wi-Fi router, there is a built-in modem is there in your Wi-Fi router, or a router which is having built-in router. Some Wi-Fi routers. Okay, if you see some Wi-Fi routers or a routers has built-in modems, has a built-in modems inside. So be careful. Sorry, very simple. Modem, modulator and demodulator, guys. Okay, so it converts your normal signal into analog signal. Modem converts, okay, your signal to passes through telephone or a optical fiber cable. So modem make you connected to ISP. Modem converts to your internet. Okay. This is part I will tell, but before that one, guys, different modems, different Wi-Fi modems also there. So I will show to Wi-Fi router. Okay, general Wi-Fi router. If you see, some Wi-Fi routers are only routing purpose, only routing, network connecting purpose only. Some are internet purposes, some are only for LAN communication purpose. Okay. If you see this picture, okay, so I want that backside picture. That's it. So it is a WAN port. So you use a UTP PPPoE connector. So then you will take this PPPoE connector WAN port, and these are the LAN ports. Okay. So this is used to connect internet. These are the remaining part is local network only. Okay. WAN port. Telephone. I will show you this N300 models. No, not required. Like a DSL modems are there, like a BSNL, Volt style mother cities. This is the for WAN connectivity, but it is telephone connectivity. If you see the closer look, ADSL means it is a telephone wire. Telephone wire we will connect here, and these two are for a LAN communication, and this is the Wi-Fi connectivity purpose. So it is so N300 Wi-Fi router essential edition, built-in ADSL modem. So if you are using a BSNL type of connectivity, BSNL, MTNL, Airtel, Tata Broadband, Reliance Broadband, old Reliance Broadband, not Jio Broadband. So that is that type of connectivity. Recently, you will get a Jio, okay, and Jio fiber Wi-Fi routers. These are the Jio fiber router kind of stuff. So it will get a directly backside fiber optical cable is there. So it will connect direct fiber optical cable. Okay, fiber optical cable will be connected in the backside. So of course there is a setup box is also there. So fiber optical cable. So directly we can connect it. I have one picture that is a Nokia. This Airtel is using this Nokia fiber router. Okay, like this. See, this is picture not visibly properly. Yeah, it is little bit good. Okay, so the fiber optical cable will goes inside this part here in this one. It will go. Okay, actually on desktop only I have this Nokia picture. This is the Nokia picture. Okay, it is a router. So generally, see, it is a LAN communication. This is a telephone. means router to telephone, not router is not connected to your telephone department, not outside connection. It is for your hand telephone purpose. It is okay. If you have it, you can connect it. Okay. So you can see this is a fiber optic cable for connecting internet. So it is connected here. It means this is having a your modem part here. Remaining is your local network only. Okay. So that's I want to try to show you guys. What is a modem? Modem is used to connect to your internet. Modem is connected to make you connected to ISP. The ISP will give you internet connectivity. So our Wi-Fi routers are having a built-in modems. Okay. This is about a router, but here I am writing one important, like Wi-Fi routers nowadays. These Wi-Fi routers acts like a okay, like in a device manner. It is a modem. It is a modem. Depends upon fiber optical modem or a PPPoE modem, or maybe it is can be a telephone cable, DSL or ADSL kind of modem. Okay, it can be a DSL or ADSL model, PPPoE model. Means if you are using a ACT type of Ethernet, means you will get a from outside to inside, you will get a some UTP STP type cable only. Means our the main ISP connection is PPP connection, but there is a one junction box is there. Through that junction box, you will get through LAN wire cables type. That is a PPPoE type. Okay, not direct PPP connection. Then fiber optical cables, FC connection. So whatever it is, your modem for a connecting ISP. Okay, that is also built in your inside your Wi-Fi. This is inside your Wi-Fi. Next, it is a wireless. It is wireless means wireless access point. Can be a small switch or hub. The LAN connectivity purpose, wire connectivity purpose. So it is act like a switch or hub kind of stuff. Okay, and your Wi-Fi, the router itself, the name is there. So it is also work like a router. It is route between your internal LAN network to outside network. It is also route. Okay? It route between internal LAN network to external LAN network.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have a question.
Tell me.
It's a little different from the topic, but I wanted to ask when we use our when we connect our phone to laptop using mobile hotspot,
Very good. Yeah.
when we use it by cable and we on USB T3, which is better, and is there a difference of speed and uh, in place of which device our phone works? Like our phone works as modem or what?
Yeah, very good. Actually, the concept is very good question, because most of us we are using our mobile phone for internet connectivity. Most of the people don't like to take this internet connectivity. Even the Reliance Jio, everything is available nowadays. Still, people don't like it. So, maximum people are lot of people are using. Why should pay two bills? Okay. So this is good question. So there, guys, this is the mobile, right? So we have a mobile. We're receiving a internet through 4G, right? Whether it is a hotspot or Bluetooth reading. So this is a built-in 4G modem is there. Built-in 4G. How to activate? You click on data, then 4G is activated. It can able to connect to the internet So we receive the data. We can send and receive the data with this mobile phones 4G. Okay. Next, you have a laptop. So just for example, this is the wireless device or another mobile phone, or it can be a tablet or a laptop or other mobile phone which we can able to connect with the Wi-Fi. So how we can share this 4G to this Wi-Fi? Using hotspot, right? Wi-Fi hotspot we are using. So using that one, so we are sharing this internet. So this people can able to connect to your hotspot. So your 4G modem, which is connected to internet, and you are sharing through your Wi-Fi hotspot, like just like your Wi-Fi router, same as we are using this one also.
The
Okay.
same work is done by our phone.
Yeah, these things will be done by our phone. There is a bridging automatically. There is a bridging between these two things. So whenever you're sharing internet through your Wi-Fi hotspot, the 4G is bridged to this Wi-Fi hotspot, so other devices can able to access internet through your mobile phone. Just like it is act like a Wi-Fi access point plus modem.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. But sir, when we are using cable, so it's a hardware medium. So I
In that
think
case
that
also same. The
we lack
speed I
that.
don't know, speed I never test. Okay. So any which ways you have to receive internet through your mobile phone 4G, right? So you have to receive internet, connect internet through your 4G data. You are
Yes,
sharing this data through your cable to your device. So it is a bridging between these two things. Like your Wi-Fi router, you connect your machine with the cable. Same thing only. Okay. So see, this is the modem part. We are sharing through this cable, USB cable. Speed I don't know, protocols I don't know, I never use it. Very olden days we use it. That time very old mobile phone type. That is a USB connectivity. Like we use as mobile as a modem to receive a internet. So later on days mostly we'll search for internet directly. Very less. Now it is again came. We can connect your mobile phone using USB cable, but I didn't use it. Okay,
okay, sir.
very good question. That is also important part, guys. So not ignore it because of most of us, maybe most of us, we are using a Wi-Fi hotspot. Whenever you are sharing your internet from your mobile to friend, learn step by step. You can able to speak those things in a step by step, how you are sharing, and those steps also important. Okay. Whatever you know, guys, whatever you know, whatever you seen, better to know it clearly, not depth, but clearly, step by step, practice. Guys, your mind is, that is the very good gold mine kind of stuff. Okay. Or maybe diamonds. But we are not using, we are filling those entire thing with a lot of dust. Okay, a lot of people unable to, last time Saris also told me, a lot of people are unable to form a sentence. But are from English medium, that too, they practice lot of English kind of stuff. Why there are people are very lazy about forming a sentence, whereas even though why people are forgetting these things, because of our language become like this, more and more casual, more and more casual. Not even we are not speaking casual or formal languages. It's more and more casual. Yes, come, no, next. These are the languages we are using. Forming a sentence step by step, how you do it, how you connected to internet, how you connected to your Wi-Fi router. Guys, these are the questions. How you connected to your Wi-Fi router, how you connected to your mobile hotspot, how you share your internet from your mobile to other mobile through Wi-Fi hotspot. The step by step. Everybody has a knowledge, but unable to present. That's the big problem. Okay. So this is a Wi-Fi router, act like your modem, wireless access point, switch, hub. Yeah, tell me.
Tell
Tell me. Also, it is act like a DHCP server and DNS server. And one more is we forget, this is very important, that is default gateway. Those many things it is done by your, okay guys, that is enough. I'm taking this picture directly, I'm not drawing. Okay, so I will give you this picture straight away. So guys, look at here, this picture answer is here. So look at here, this is my modem. I connect my modem to ISP for internet purpose. Now I'm getting internet to modem. And I have a local LAN network. There is a switch. Switch is connected to the wide devices, right? There is a devices are there should connected with wire like a computers. So there is a switch. We are connected. One LAN network is there. In another devices are wireless devices like a laptop, mobile, tablets should be connected to wireless access point. Okay. What is this wireless access point? What is a wireless access point? To connect wireless devices. What is used? To connect wireless devices like a laptop, your mobile, tablets. Okay. So this type of network. What is this type of network? WLAN means wireless LAN. WLAN means wireless LAN. Okay, so connectivity. Now this is a network, your private network. This is internet outside network. How to communicate from inside to outside of the network? Through router. Router makes a connectivity between two different networks. This is a local network, private network. This is the public network. Okay, guys. So these are the devices. Can you see modem, which is main interface to your ISP? Then router, then switches or wireless access point. In our cases, your Wi-Fi router is, so this modem, router, switch, wireless access point are combined in the one single router it is. Okay. So I will show you once again. One Wi-Fi router. Okay. So this is the WAN connectivity. WAN connectivity is outside connectivity for internet. So you have a mobile phone. You have a mobile phone or a laptop. You will connect through wirelessly. You have a desktop. I have a desktop. Then I use a wire to connect. This LAN plugs are LAN. Like a switch, I connected to my desktop. I connect through Wi-Fi. This kind of stuff. Okay. This is for internet connectivity. And there is a
I
LED.
want to ask one thing.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if we connect the mobile phone to our router or sir PC, sir, our PC is connected with the cable or our phone is connected with the Wi-Fi to our router. And sir, we can find that there is the speed changes in it in both the devices. So sir,
Yeah, in this
how
diagram,
the
I'm
speed
telling,
changes?
this is the Wi-Fi. I connected
Yes.
mobile phone to Wi-Fi, and this is the cable connectivity.
Okay.
Generally, we are using normal cables only, not gigabyte Ethernet. So if you are using normal cable, that is 100 Mbps, right? Fast Ethernet. If you use gigabit Ethernet, in case Your for your desktop and your LAN connectivity, it is 1000 Mbps. So your data transmission speed will show up to this much of speed. Okay, possibilities there, right? Depends upon your cable and your PC and your connectivity here. This is also 1 Gbps. This is 1 Gbps and Cat6 cable. So you will get 1 Gbps pure data transmission from your router to this one. If in case any one is 100 Mbps, total it is maximum 100 Mbps. Okay, but if you see this one, mobile phone, so Wi-Fi connectivity usually 2 points, 2.4 or 2.5 kind of connectivity. One is 2.4, someplace 2.5. Next one is 5 gigahertz speed connectivity. So 2.5 generally give 300 megahertz frequency, means around 54 or 54 Mbps, something it will show. I will show you mine. ncpa.cpl. I am connected to 2.5. So my data transmission speed is, you can see 150 Mbps it is showing, but actually it will get a less than 50 Mbps, 30 Mbps, 50 Mbps connectivity. The original data transmission speed. Okay. So this 5 gigahertz it will shows more than 150 Mbps. Okay. Connectivity is different, guys, based on which Wi-Fi connectivity you have done, that much data transmission speed. This is dedicated transmission speed. Okay. So depends upon which connectivity you are using. That is also good. So your Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz versus 5 gigahertz. So your shorter the ranges, 5 gigahertz with high speed data connectivity. Long distance but low speed. Okay. So lower speed, longer range, fast, shorter range, more radio interfaces, less radio interfaces. And there is a data speed is also there. So then try with data frequencies, modem, internet connectivity. If your internet is 30 Mbps, whatever you use it, same one. It is usually speed of 50 to 70 Mbps speed, 2.4 is enough. But if you are having more than that one, you must use this 5 gigahertz. More than 75 gigahertz compulsory. So search for it, guys. Now it is time is also running. Okay. So this is small home. This one. So this is a replacement. These are all replaced with a one single Wi-Fi router. That's what I am trying to say. Okay. So next one is we'll see about IP address. Please go through that one because it's already 12:14.